Hi everyone, how's it going? It's Ken with Amp DJ Services, and today we're going to be talking about something that's not so much wedding related or client related, but actually industry related. So I have my DDJ-SZ right here that I'm going to be applying a skin to today. All right, this is from 12InchSkinz. I'm really excited to use it. I purchased the chrome style, so I'm excited to see what the metallic is going to look like on here. I love the way the SZ performs in that too. I've had it for the last 2 years, and I'm just thought it was time for a little bit of a makeover. So things you're going to need to make this work. You're going to need, first off, some trim tools. So they look just like this. They're for automotive. Anything that's plastic or even a screwdriver, as long as you're careful not to mar the actual SZ paint, you'll be able to use. Also, thing you're going to need microfiber cloth. That's going to be to clean everything off with the rubbing alcohol that you're going to need. And then last but not least, some tape. And this is going to be to tape on the skin itself so it doesn't move around once we get it all done. So first thing we're going to do is pop all of these knobs off, buttons, everything that'll come off is going to come off, so we're going to start applying the skin. Here we go.
Y'all ready for this? 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 Y'all ready for this?
Alright, so there you have it. We installed the 12-inch skin on my Pioneer SZ. I highly recommend it. It was super easy to install. I love the piece of equipment also. So if you're looking to maybe upgrade from the SX or something like that, the SZ is awesome. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click subscribe. And you can always visit our website, ampdjservices.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.